Tiene la palabra Union of Northwest Human Rights Organization.
Mr. President, Vienna Declaration and Program of Action to promote human rights. Our organization would like to draw the attention of this Council to gross minority rights in Sindh, Pakistan, where human rights and religious freedom conditions are continuously deteriorating, especially between 2019 and 2022. Pakistan's human rights violations have been tolerated by the international community because the country's strategic location. According to the U.S. Department of State, in 2019, at least 84 individuals were imprisoned on blasphemy charges, at least 20 of whom had received death sentences. On January 26, 2020, an Islamist mob vandalized and burned sacred Hindu scriptures at the Mata Rani temple in Chachro, Tharparkar, Sindh. Human Rights Commission of Pakistan and the Human Rights Watch 2019 country report on Pakistan have estimated that more than 1,000 Hindus and young Christian girls across the country are stolen from their families and forced to convert to Islam annually. And between January 2004 and May 2018, there were 7,430 reported cases, abductions of Hindu girls in Sindh province, while the actual number of cases is estimated to be much higher. According to the Hindu community leaders in Pakistan and NGOs in India, approximately 5,000 Hindus take refuge in India annually. Similarly, nearly 12,000 Pakistani male Christians filed asylum claims in Thailand. And estimated 10,000 Ahmadiyas have sought asylum in Germany, the UK, and the US. Finally, I ask the Human Rights Council to intervene and safeguard the minority rights in Sindh, Pakistan. Thank you.
Thank you. Pasamos a Asociación Burkinabé pour la Survie de l'Enfance.